In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the line command. You can enter the line command by clicking this icon, line, or simply type LINE, enter. Either way will work. And once you enter the line command, you will see a message showed up in this command line. And you should always pay attention to this command line because it will tell you step by step of each command what they are going to look for and what information you have to enter in the computer. So the first question or the first message, it shows you that specify the first point. For a line command, you will need to enter 2 points. And the first point, I'm going to use example 2, 3, enter. And then it asks for my next point. I can type 3, 5, for example, enter. Now notice that in here I have the dynamic input off. This means that now I am in the absolute coordinate system. And if I want to draw a line 1 inch to the right, so obviously I can find out what this point is in the absolute coordinate. But if I just want to know what it is 1 inch to the right, all I have to do is to use at 1, 0. At will change the coordinate system to relative coordinate system temporarily. So at this point right now I'm using this point as my 0 because at is temporary relative coordinate system. So enter, so which is 1 inch to the right. Now in here you have close and undo. You can type C for close, U for undo. So if I do U, undo, this means I will undo the last point that I have. Now let me put it back. At again 1, 0. So each time if you don't do at 1, 0, for example I just do 1, 0, it will bring back to this point. So now let me undo it. U at 1, 0. And then I'm going to use this one, close. So type C, enter. It will close to the first point. The close will work only from the beginning. You start from here, you will end up in here. But if you're starting another line, for example, if I draw another line, and this time I can type L instead. So line, you can type LINE or L to enter the command. So L, enter the first point. So let's say in here, I can click anywhere I want also, but this will not be an accurate point. But now for in this purpose, I just click anywhere and I can create another point anywhere. These 2 points right now, this line is not an accurate line because you do not know what the coordinates of this line is and how long this line is. Now if I type another line, another point in here, if I click here, now if I type close, it's not going to be close in here. It will close to the first point only. So if I type close, it will go to the first point. So this is how you will need to use the line command.